Hello everyone, my name is Tim Johnson and this is a simplified rendition of Wikipedia. So first what we'll do is we'll just kind of point out what these are. So here's a list of all the existing pages, and as you can see, CSS through Timothy Johnson, I made that one. But these are all the available pages to us. And so we can search, we can create a new page, or we can click this link to select a random page from this bucket. Alright, so first thing I'll do is I'll just navigate to each entry. So I'm going to click on CSS, and I can see CSS, and I'm going to click on Django, I can see Django, and how about if I try to just use the search bar to maybe look up Python, because I know Python is from that list. Okay, so that works too. Okay, so these links all work. Now what I want to do is I want to create a new page. So I'm going to create a new page, and this page is going to be called The Who. And then here in Markdown, I'm going to write, just whatever I feel I need to write here for this The Who entry. So The Who, a band from the 60s to now. And I'm going to save that, and it's going to navigate me to that exact page. And so what you'll see now, and what you might have seen on all the other pages, is that there's this edit link. And so we can click this if we want to make a change. And I just want to say the band from 60s to now, Townsend, Rogers, Moon, and Entwistle. And I'm going to save that, and boom, now I can see that change. And then if I go back to the index.html, I can now see the Who is an entry in my list of pages. And lastly, if I want to just navigate to a random one of these pages, I'm going to control click to demonstrate, but I can control click. So the first one was Git, the next one was HTML, the next one was Tim Johnson, the next one was The Who, HTML again. So yes, these are kind of sequential if you look at them in the list, but that's just a coincidence. These are being randomly generated. Oh, and then actually, lastly is, how about looking these up in the search engine? So if I want to look up The Who, great, I can see it. Or if I want to look up Led Zeppelin, oh, I misspelled. So what if I don't know how to spell Led Zeppelin? What if I want to spell, what if I just put in like Led Zepp? Okay, then it says, did you mean Led Zeppelin? Okay, great. So basically, if you have a specific sequence of letters, and maybe not the entire entry, as long as those sequence of letters exist inside the name of one of these pages, this functionality will point you to a potential match in the list of existing pages. And then lastly, what I'll show is what happens if you type something in incorrectly. Oh, sorry. Wiki/Python 404 not found. So if something does not exist, it'll trigger an error message. Alright, and that is about it for the Wikipedia simplified version. Thank you so much for watching. This was Tim Johnson. I'll see you next time.